Hi class, this is week 3 and this week we are going to be focusing on creating characters. This video is just a short video to give you an outline of the assignments we're going to do this week on characterization. Remember that anything we do, an assignment or exercise or anything, can be used to develop your own fiction short story, and that completed draft, the first rough draft, will be due on October 27th. And so this is just going to be a rough draft, so don't worry about it too much. And this is the assignments we're going to do for this week to help you maybe flesh out that story. First is going to be a character sort of lecture. It's mostly a read module. There is a lot to read, especially because we don't have a textbook. There's some videos in here. But this is going to talk to you and introduce you to 2 ways of developing characters. The direct method of presentation, where a character presents mainly what's observable in speech and appearance and image, and in thought too, and indirect methods of characterization. So we're going to go through the direct methods here, and so you can see it's a lot to read, so take your time with it. The first reading from a text we're going to have, the Burroway text, is going to be about characters, and it's going to be chapter 4. Now this is a PDF that's a little wonky because I kind of try to get into PDF format. If you have problems with it, just please let me know and we'll deal with it. And then the only thing that is to do for this module is post any questions you have about the reading, either in the Burroway or in the module, the reading you have about character development. If you don't have any questions, then post one thing that you learned about in this reading. And so that's all you have to do for this module. And then we're going to go on to the class discussion number 1, and this class discussion is going to be about characterization. We're going to do interpreter of melodies, and the story is right here, so you should be able to get to it. And then you're going to use these prompts. There's 4 prompts: summary, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. And you'll remember these prompts from week 1 with the Sherman Alexie story. All you have to do is answer 1 prompt for each of these headings. So you can choose between this one and this one. You can choose between this one and this one, and synthesis. You can choose. For summary, I would like for you to answer both, okay? What's the plot of the story, which should just be 1 sentence, and what's the conflict of the story. So I want you to also post at least 1 reply to one of your classmates' posting. This can be a reply that agrees or disagrees, or asks a question, or furthers a statement. So something that you thought interesting in that discussion posting. And there's an example of a class discussion posting here. And that's all you're really going to do for this class discussion. And those 2, the reading about character and the class discussion, are going to be due on Tuesday. I believe that's October 13th. And this assignment about characterization will be due on Thursday. And this is, we're going to create a character. This again is a assignment that's going to take a little while, so it's got a lot of steps, so I'll warn you right now. So take your time with it. There's some information about the point of creating a character, and then we're going to walk you through creating a character. I want you to find someone in your daily routine and sort of follow them. The max is for 30 minutes, but follow them and just observe them. You're observing their outward qualities, such as their appearance, their mannerisms, their habits, if they are talking, their speech. So the idea here is just to observe and write down what you notice. And then you're going to take those traits that you notice and you're going to sort of make up a character outlining these. Some of them are observable, some of them are not observable characteristics. So in D here, you're going to be creating a character. You can give the character that you observed a name and a nickname. You can change the physical appearance if you want to a little bit, but you're going to be getting to know them a little better by outlining these qualities. Then you're going to flesh out the character more by going through the things that we've read about in character. You're going to develop their exterior life and their thoughts. You're going to develop them as a character of voice. You're going to develop them in terms of action and conflict. And when it says to to write a sketch or anything, this could be anywhere from just a paragraph to 2 paragraphs. I don't want it shouldn't be pages and pages. So you're just doing a paragraph or so for each of these prompts. So, and then at the end, give some reflection about how this assignment went. What went well, what did not, how likely is it you're going to use this character for your own fiction story. And then go ahead and paste all the A through G that you did on the discussion forum below. Try not to make it as an attachment because it's easier for everyone to see if it's just pasted there. And so that is the focus for this week on character. If you have any questions or just want to check something, please just contact me and I'll be happy to help. Hope you guys have a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.